Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make slowed and reverb songs in CapCut. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, just open up the CapCut application here, and then you can see this is the song here. I have already put it in CapCut. So it's something like this. Now we have to select this and then we have to go to speed here. Tap on this speed and you have to set it on 0.8. Also, we have to select this change audio pitch here. Tap on this check icon and then we will go to this audio effects option here and look for the mic hog effect. As you can see, here it is. Tap on it. We have to set this room size to 70 like this, and then on the strength we will go for this 30. So now if you go to your song here, you will see this type of result. So that's how to make slowed and reverb songs in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.